वेलकम बैक टू फूड एंड ट्रैवल विद फेस्टिव फॉर एवर। आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ेदार होने वाला है बिकॉज टुडे वी आर गोना ईट सम बुफे। आई एम इन गोरेगांव ईस्ट एट फ्लोर रेस्टोरेंट विच इज़ लोकेटेड इनसाइड फर्न होटल। Here we are going to try some North Indian, Italian and Asian food. I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this vlog because I love eating buffet. Now let's go. First impression of this restaurant is just bang on. The place is very positive and pleasant. So all the starters will be delivered or served at your table. While waiting for our starters, let's sip this virgin mojito. On point. Sprite, lemon, mint leaves. All together just perfect. Alright, what do we have?
Veg appetizers, mixed vegetables.
Okay, just give me two. Here you get 3 veg starters and 3 non-veg starters. So first we are gonna eat some veg starters. I'm gonna serve myself some chutney. So this is mixed veg, this is jalapeno balls and this is paneer Szechuan dry. So first I'm gonna try this tikki which looks cute and pretty. Both the chutneys are super delicious. It's very much similar to hara bhara kebab, but these chutneys is tasting so fabulous, guys. मतलब मेरे को तो बहुत पसंद आया. मैं actually 4-5 खा सकती हूँ आराम से, but then I also want to try other dishes. The tikki is obviously made from potatoes, green peas, cornstarch. Yum, just loved it. This was, I think, Szechuan chutney, but the Szechuan chutney was fabulous. Now let's try this paneer. The paneer is looking very moist. Actually, the paneer is not that flavorful. You'll have to get the flavors from the chutney, but then the paneer is fresh and nice. Now let's try this jalapeno ball. I need some chutney to add it on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this entire sauce on this thing. Something really different. I'm a chutney lover, so I always like to add some extra. It's a combination of potato and cheese. I think you won't be able to taste jalapeno, but then it's just tasty. One thing that I would like to mention is that all the 3 starters are non-spicy. So if you want to really make it spicy, you'll have to add a lot of chutney. But other than that, 3 of them are just good. Limited starters, but amazing. After veg starters, let's try our non-veg starters. So in non-veg, we have fish fry, fish tikka and narangi chicken tikka. Fish fry is made from basa fish. This is rawas and obviously this is our boneless chicken. It's it's normally fried in besan batter. So again, you'll have to add a lot of chutney to get the taste and flavors, but it's crispy, tasty, and delicious. Now let's try some ravas tikka. Ravas tikka is yellow in color. That means they have added a lot of turmeric. टिक्का का बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर आ रहा है एंड फिश इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट. आई रियली लाइक्ड ऑल द स्टार्टर्स. लेट्स ट्राई आवर थर्ड चिकन स्टार्टर, दैट इज़ नारंगी चिकन. आई थिंक आई एम नॉट लेफ्ट विथ चटनी. आई थिंक अमंग दी नॉन वेज स्टार्टर्स आई रियली लाइक दिस नारंगी चिकन. इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐसा वो सार टेस्ट है विच आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. अगेन इट्स बर्न एंड विद द चटनी इट्स टेस्टिंग एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग. If you're really particular about starters, then you should try this narangi chicken and veg starters. In non-veg starters, everything was good, but I really like narangi chicken other than the fish tikka and fish fry. Now I'm gonna serve myself some main course. So we have so many options here, guys. Vegetarians के लिए ना यहाँ पे बहुत सारे options हैं, तो टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Salads, so there are a lot of options and choices over here, like beetroot, olives, onions, tomatoes, carrot, cucumber, many more options, and all of them are for vegetarians. Now let's go ahead and eat our delicious food. While I was waiting for my colleague, I already had like all the papad that was here, and this is I think the last one or the last bite. There are a lot of choices in veg. It's not like that vegetarians won't have that many choices. As you can see that everything in my plate is all veg. So let's have a look. This is dal tadka and rice, aloo matar, sabz banjara, potato, eggplant and cheese. So basically it's like a lasagna, paneer, pepper sauce and some Hakka noodles. Looks good. There are only two soups. One is vegetarian, this is mushroom soup, and the other one is non-vegetarian, which was something, I think, egg manchow soup. So first I'm going to sip my soup over here. Let's go ahead and try our delicious mushroom soup. It's like a plain mushroom soup without any sauce or cream. You can say basically they have just added onion, pepper and mushroom, sauteed them and just make paste or liquid out of it, and that's it. Done. So here I have taken everything that was available at this restaurant, and along with that you get two options, naan and tandoori roti. I have opted for tandoori roti with butter.
So veg appetizer?
Let's try our paneer. It's very similar to kadhai paneer. Nice, yeah? Wow. Tomato onion का gravy है, and in that there is a little amount of jeera. All the spices like Indian spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder. हल्का सा taste है green chilies का. Very good. So the next sabzi that we are going to try is this cauliflower. I think I like cauliflower more than paneer, probably because I am not a paneer person. But cauliflower का जो taste है, यानी कि सब्जी में cauliflower का taste बहुत ही ज़्यादा dominant है, और you can say that the vegetable is tasting very nice and it's very mild. Actually the taste and flavor of this सब्जी is very mild. हम लोग घर में बनाते हैं ना cauliflower मसाला, वैसा taste है, but yum. Now we are going to try aloo matar. Aloo matar is really spicy and the matar is not actually boiled. It's more like सब्जी के साथ ही पकाया है वैसा. And of course the base यानी कि जो gravy है वो tomato, onion इससे ही बनाई है. And then along with that are Indian spices. Very tasty. Let's try Sabz Banjara. Very similar to palak paneer, but instead of paneer they have used matar and rest of the vegetables. Also cumin seeds का जो तड़का है उसका बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है. You can say non spicy dish with a very strong flavor of पालक. सारी सब्जियां तो मैंने खा ली, अभी राइस के बिना तो पेट भरेगा नहीं. So let's try our delicious dal tadka and rice. I'm a very big fan of dal tadka and rice because I feel कि मतलब जब भी खाना खाने का मूड भी नहीं होता ना, तभी भी दाल तड़का and rice works for me. Okay. Dal tadka is not that great. I would say that actually when I was pouring it also na, that time only I realized because it was very liquidy, and that's what I could feel over here, that it's a little liquidy. So here we also have this potato, and potato छिलके के साथ है. With that I think it's a little burnt also with some red chili flakes. छिलका वाला potato कितना tasty लगता है ना. Yum. So I'm gonna try this eggplant cheese thing. See, this is our eggplant. I have a feeling that they have mixed red chilies and tomatoes together and made this paste along with aubergine, I meant the eggplant, and some basil leaves. Let's try our last vegetarian dish, that is Hakka noodles with some pepper sauce. Wow, yum. Green chilies, corns, carrot, noodles, everything together, fabulous. So in non-veg there are a couple of options like chicken gravy, biryani, two fish gravies, like one is fish sauce and the other is something called fish mean, and in soup there is just one soup called egg Manchurian. This is more like hot and sour soup than manchaw soup. Pepper is very strong in this, and then egg का बहुत ही अच्छा taste है. There are a lot of green chilies and red bell pepper, capsicum and cabbage. First I'm gonna try chicken curry because I think I'm more a chicken person than a fish person. Actually the chicken is tasting like chicken tari wala. अच्छा खासा तरी का टेस्ट है, and chicken is cooked properly. Ginger garlic paste is there, red chili powder is there. It's not really a spicy dish. It's like a medium spicy dish, but बहुत ही अच्छा taste है. I liked it. Now let's go ahead and try these two fish curries or fish sauces that we have. I think these are more like fish sauces than fish curry. So this fish curry is very coconutty. It's more like a South Indian dish. Actually, of course, the restaurant doesn't serve South Indian food, but the coconut flavor is actually making me feel like it's a South Indian dish. Basically, a South Indian fish curry. Very flavorful and tasty. Now let's try our fish sauce. The sauce is basically made from basil leaves and Thai chilies. I think they have used Rawus fish. Also there are onions, spring onions and a lot of other things. So the dish is nice and tasty, but not wow. Biryani time, I already had everything else and I kept my delicious biryani for the end because you guys should know by now that I'm a biryani lover. So I had to keep this for end. I have already added a lot of raita because I feel that biryani में इतने सारे spices होते हैं that to minimize them you always or you should add raita to it. Let's go ahead and taste it. बिरयानी इज़ नाइस बट द रायता इज़ लिटिल सार, मे बी जो कर्ड था वो थोड़ा सार था. So if you have it without curd, it's gonna taste very nice, and if you have it with curd, or maybe today their curd is tasting sour. Otherwise, the biryani is delicious. It's made with lots of spices. They have added boneless chicken pieces. पुदीना का बहुत ही अच्छा और strong flavor है. In fact, I feel they have added pudina in many dishes, which is really good. Good for taste, good for health. It's dessert time. You know what? The best part about buffet restaurant is their dessert section. There are so many choices and options to choose from. Particularly in this restaurant, guys, there are so many choices to choose from. Let's go ahead and try this gulab jamun first. Gulab jamun is one of my favorite Indian dessert along with ras malai. Ras malai and gulab jamun are my favorite. Moist, soft and coated with sugar syrup. Amazing. Bang on. Loved it. This pineapple pastry. Soft, creamy, good taste and flavor of pineapple. Amazing. Next I'm gonna try this chocolate roll. I don't know what is this exactly, but it's something like chocolate roll. It's more like chocolate barfi. Didn't like it that much. I think it's made from cashew and chocolate. Let's try this thing. Actually, I was not really inclined to take this, but then it was looking just pretty, so I had to take it. Strawberry custard. Yummy. Now, बर्फी भी try कर लेते हैं. I think it's made from mawa. Very good quality. After enjoying my delicious meal and amazing desserts, we are gonna try teppanyaki ice cream, which is made at their live counter. Let's have a look. Our last ice cream of the day. Amazing. This ice cream deserves a 10 on 10. If you're coming here, do try the live counter ice cream. It's just too good. It's time to rate this place on my festive meter. The place is beautiful, pleasant and positive. Actually, what I liked about this restaurant is that there is no music, or there is mild music. Mostly whenever you visit any restaurant, there's such a loud music that I don't even understand in the afternoon why do you need such a loud music. So that is not there. It's very pleasant, quiet, and the food is very delicious. In fact, they have a very limited choices. Like in starters, there are 3 veg starters and 3 non-veg starters, but the food is very delicious and tasty. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत कम choices है तो खाना ज़्यादा tasty नहीं है. It's very good. In fact, I really like the starters. Vegetarians के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे choices है. Actually, the property is a 4-star property. Despite of that, the prices are very reasonable. The buffet was for rupees 775. So there is no veg buffet or non-veg buffet. It's like an ideal buffet. You can have veg or non-veg, whatever you want. The prices are going to remain the same. That is 775 plus taxes. So it would cost you somewhere around 900 or 850, which is very good being the 4-star property. I definitely enjoyed my experience, so I'm gonna rate this place 8.5 out of 10. So guys, I think we are done over here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you visit this restaurant, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye. छिलका वाला राइस कितना टेस्टी लगता है ना. राइस बोला क्या? राइस बोला.